Hey guys, let's go for the news. This weekend we are Sunday, that's week 36 now, and we are the 5th of September. So let's have a look into the crypto world. I know that you guys in US just almost just wake up, so it's time to know what's going on. So we are looking at Bitcoin. Things are pretty good. We are above the 50k, which let us think that the following week is gonna be good, right? We should be above and trying to go hit the 52k. This is based on my trade technical analysis that you can see from the previous video I've done. Now what we can see, we are pretty neutral at the moment. Neutral, why? Because people are in a weekend. It's actually the long weekend in US. As you know, there is a labor week during this weekend. So Monday, you need to know that the CME might be closed on Monday, but usually the CME is active at least half the day. It's important. Hopefully they are active, so we know what's going on. We will look into it later, but there is something interesting from the CME that we need to look at, but we will look at that a bit later, like I just said. From CoinGecko, we have some news, the top 10 trending coins in United States. FEG token seems to be one of them, and I'm not sure what it is. I think it's about probably some NFT token, but interesting. With 152 million, the next one is market caps SOL, Solana 39 billion, Bitcoin of course, and Cardano on the fourth position, rank fourth, Ethereum, Phantom, etc., etc. For the rest of the news, let's keep up. We got, you know, that 5 months ago Coinbase was introduced into the Nasdaq. That makes a big news. However, that was the same time where we had the top local market what was at this exact time. So now people are talking about it and want to know if they are wondering if people will recognize it by the end of this year. Hopefully not. We have hopefully another top market coming, and I think we do. Quick stuff. I've got this. We can see this one is the result from a trader that is kind of new into the trading world, not doing much technical analysis and using cross-margin X20 or X50. You can see he loses some money, not much, but he's losing money. And of course, like I always say, you guys should never use more than 5x margin or isolate, and with 5% of your total wallet. All right, if you do trade with more, you're going to get into trouble. It can go very well. Of course, you can make massive more money because you're investing more, so obviously you will make more, but you can lose more as well. So be careful with that. This is not always going the way we want. We got something interesting coming up this week. On the 7th, we have the new moon, which is here, 7th, and then on 14th we have the I think we call it the black moon or dark moon, black moon. I think someone can comment this in the comment to let me know, but basically I'm showing you this because some people look at this when they are trading. All right, especially in the crypto world, more and more people look into this. They have feelings that there is something coming up. So like I just use the word feeling. You should not use feeling with trading. As I always say, use technical analysis and stick to it. All right, don't look too much at the news. Of course, look a bit at it, but start with your technical analysis using Ichimoku without anything in head. No black moon, new moon, anything. All right, otherwise it's going to influence your technical analysis and you will make mistake. 100% sure. All right, good to know. We got Ethereum at the moment that is burning more Ethereum a day than there is new Ethereum created every day. We got 13,292 Ethereum a day created, but we got more burn going on, which is of course creating a deflation as the supply is reduced. But will it be like this in the future? No, for sure it's going we're going to have less and less burn. So hopefully things are coming back together. Otherwise we're going to see Ethereum going down, but it's not for tomorrow, guys. So don't be too worried if you're holding some Ethereum. This is not yet coming. What else? We can look into EOTA. So I made some technical analysis on it this week. and I will do the next week, so starting Monday. And we can see that it clearly pumped out from starting yesterday. We got a massive pump from the 167 to the 198. Now we got a pullback coming up. We will look more deeply, more clearly into it in other videos starting Monday. So guys, follow, subscribe. I will give you news about it, so don't worry. We won't stay in the dark with this one. We can look at some other news. Let's keep up. Okay, the gold, it's interesting. Gold, it looks like gold is we have like a cup and handle forming. So does it mean by the end of this year we will see gold and all like sorry for that, I lose my English, all precious metals going up over the end of this year? Is it going to all bring everything coming back? We will see that, but it looks like we got a clear cup and handle forming, so why not? Okay guys, let's go for some technical analysis. We got Ethereum. I'm not going to do a very long one, quick one. We can clearly see that starting July to now, we have a straight line going from the 1700 to the 4K. So are we going to keep this line now? This is the whole question. People are worrying that we got a massive pullback coming. We have some forming candle here that doesn't look like going on a pump or keeping up with our run, but at the same time, we can see that we have like this resistance coming here, this rectangle about 3,500 USDT. So that things is here. We got our 10-can daily right here about 3,500 as well. So that is our price support at the moment. We got two on a daily. I got two doji candle. Of course, that's the weekend, so nothing is going to happen during the weekend, but starting tomorrow we'll see what will happen. If Bitcoin going well, Ethereum has no reason not to go well and to go hit and test the 4,372 USDT again. Let's have a look at BTC then. BTC, by the way, I was telling you about the CME, which is it here. You can see the CME Monday. I don't know what time it's going to open, if it's opening at all, but at the opening we are at 50k and 710 USD, and actually our Bitcoin price is at 50,768. So we are about the same. So that seems we are pretty stable at the moment, and that should keep up on this way. Otherwise, we will have we might have a short squeeze. We had a short squeeze actually. Let's have a look at our scalp index. You can see that here we had a short squeeze right here, and it's already coming back on a run. We got the fear and greed index way more into the grid. Social index is going up, so a lot of people talking about Bitcoin. Market order flow is back to almost going to almost green. It was kind of neutral earlier, but it seems like since US woke up, things are going way better, so that's good news. Going back to BTC USD, yes, you can see we touch on a 4 hours time frame. We touch above, not today. So today we didn't touch the 51k, yeah, of course, but we are still at 5,700. We got the 10-can 4 hours on support on the bottom. The 10-can Kijun 4 hours is going up a bit, toward up, so it's going to be closer and closer to our 10-can, creating some support and pushing the stock up. The lagging has space to go up to the 51k 400, so that's good. Let's see what we see. Yeah, that's Coinbase. Interesting things to see with Coinbase. You can see that we clearly had a lot of testing around this area between the 207 to the 255, and now we are clearly above. So we can see now this massive candle forming. That's good news. That seems like this stock is going to go very well for this for this month, up to the end of this month at least. So keep an eye on it. Coinbase seems to be a good coin to invest. that's it, using USD, of course. Litecoin, sorry, we can see massive pump also happening on a weekly. We look at the daily, this happened on the 3rd, and we have another candle forming today, way above the doji candle yesterday. So it seems like people trading Litecoin are very active today, and they wanted to go to the Kijun weekly, to the 258 USD. So that's it, guys, for the news. It was a bit long, I'm sorry, the first time I'm doing this 10-minute video. My accent is fucking strong, I understand. You can use the subtitles next time, or again, if you want to watch again, I will try to speak a bit slower and make it better and better. So please support my channel. We can you can just subscribe and leave a comment. Just leave a comment, even tell me, let me know if there is anything you couldn't understand. If you have any question about anything, I'm happy to answer. You can also join the Discord community. We have the link in description. That will it's always interesting to talk about crypto over there, and to look at sort of signals, like let's say not signals, because I don't like to give signals, but it's more about technical analysis. So yeah, that's it. We want people there. We got also a news channel on the Discord and on Telegram, crypto news. So I've got over 20 sources of very good news website pumping up there, so you don't have to go everywhere. You can just look at your Telegram to see what's going on, or Discord, and you won't have to go in thousands of websites again. I was sick of it, so I made it for me and I share it with you. It's free, so use it. You guys take care for this end of the day, beginning of the day for US, end of the afternoon for Europe, and I see you tomorrow for a big technical analysis on Bitcoin and Ethereum, or maybe Tuesday. But in between, I will have other tokens that I want to look into it, because I detected some potential pump or dump, so I want to let you know. All right, guys, bye bye.